as a person in general, I think having a strong will, even you asking me about way back being vulnerable and not being able to sign to even Akon,
yeah.
it just tells you how I am as a person. You know, I do what I want to do.
And loyalty is key.
And everybody around me has been for me day one. Angel, day zero, everybody.
Wow.
Yeah.
Who are new friends?
Because I deal with people, I keep telling people, don't trust no one, just love them. Because if you trust, then it's going to be a problem. You know, now anything they do that goes off what you believe, that's going to be it. You know, but I love them, so I see beyond, because I'm not perfect myself. So no matter what happens, what is key is the fact that I know they genuinely care about me.
Oh, I love that.
So that's how come they've been around me for a minute.